Introducing the Lumber Lock, a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This revolutionary tool caters to a wide range of construction and maintenance projects, making it an invaluable asset for tasks around your home. The Lumber Lock securely grips a variety of lumber shapes and sizes ranging from 2 to 12 inches, ensuring they stay put without unwanted movement or spinning. With your lumber elevated above ground level, you gain the freedom to focus on precision while measuring, cutting, drilling, and perfecting your projects. It's like having an extra pair of hands, allowing you to wield power and hand tools with confidence and efficiency. Say goodbye to the hassle and let the Lumber Lock simplify your woodworking endeavors.